want to see him lift his work rate and dominate. But saying that, Warrawood is Inuoe is a very good fighter indeed.
Here in round 2, and Warrawood comes forward again, throwing his power shots.
Yes, he's definitely got that power.
Earlier on from Goodman, but he's found one as Warrawood throws wild shots and gets through with the right hands. And then he reaches out to the body as well. And he looks over the top with a counter shot.
Oh, he's dangerous. You can see why he's had so many KOs. He's very heavy-handed, the Thai.
And here in round 3, he's happy to stand in front.
Welcome back sa ating channel mga kaibigan. Kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, please do like, subscribe, and press that notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago nating video. Naalala nyo mga kaibigan, Sam Goodman, ang mandatory challenger ni Inuoe mga kapatid. Pinagliban muna niya ang pagiging mandatory challenger. Kumbaga, nag-tune up fight muna siya mga kaibigan. Sa katatapos lang na laban ni Sam Goodman sa kanyang tune up against sa isang Thailander, undisputed boxer. Napakaganda ng tune up ni Sam Goodman mga kaibigan. So talagang tuning up ito para sa kay Inuoe. So sa laban nila mga kapatid, pareho silang malakas at saka mabilis. Although medyo mas maraming sulit na patama itong Thailander, si Warrawood, pero natalo ko rin siya sa decision. So mga ganitong laban mga kaibigan, it is always the decision of the judges at saka ring court advantage. Pero nakita ko dito is napakagandang tune up dahil tune up ni Sam Goodman ang kanyang mukha. Pinapatibay niya dahil sa dami ng tama ng kanyang kalaban na si Warrawood, hindi siya na-knockdown.
Stuff of Australian boxing history.
The last minute remaining of round 12.
Trying to find the shot. Oh, big shot from Goodman.
Lovely right.
Massive right hand over the top, but as we've now come to expect, taking big shots. He's been happy to go to war, but ultimately we are seeing the class of the world #1.
Wow.
As he scores with another big leg.
William Solis scores the competition 117-111. Leanne Reed 117-113. And Christopher Alendi 119-109 for your winner by unanimous decision. Fighting out of the blue corner, Sam Goodman!
Isang conditioning ito para kay Inuoe. Well, nakikita ko dito pag si Inuoe ang kanyang makalaban, it will take 3 strong punches from Inuoe, the monster. May paglalagyan itong si Goodman. Medyo ano lang itong nakalaban niya si Warrawood, medyo mahina ang power. Maraming patama sa mukha, sa chin ni Sam Goodman. Pero magandang kondisyon. Alayin natin, baka kakayanin niyo yung mga suntok ni Inuoe. So abangan natin kung ano pang susunod dito mga kapatid. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you on our next live. Bye bye.